And welcome back to this class. Let me show you how to solve this integral. Now we are asked to integrate x into 3x squared minus 5 bracket close all to the power of 100 dx. So we are asked to integrate it. So how do we integrate this problem? First of all, if you look at this, we can solve this place here using chain rule. We can solve this place here using what? Chain rule. So let me see. Let's say let u equals 3x squared minus 5. So if we differentiate u with respect to x, we have that du over the x equals 6x. All right. So from here, we can say, since we have this now, we can say that let's cross multiply over 1. So if we cross multiply, we are going to make the x the subject of the formula. So we have that du equals 6x dx. So dividing both sides by 6x and dividing both sides by 6x, we have that 6x cancel 6x, and the x equals du all over 6x. All right, so let's call this question 1 for now. So from here, clearly, what can we see? We can see that this integral reduced to the integral of x multiplied by u. Since we say this should be u, say u to power 100 and multiply by our dx is what? Du over 6. Du all over 6x. All right, so from here, we are going to take the constant outside. We take the constant outside. So if we take the constant outside, we'll find out that we'll have 1 all over 6 into the integral of x multiplied by u raised to the power of 100 multiplied by 1 all over x du. So this can cancel out this first. So we have 1 all over 6 to the integral of u to the power 100 multiplied by what? Du. All right. So from here, let's integrate. If we integrate this, we'll find out that this is 1 all over 6 multiplied by u to the power 100 plus 1 all over 100 plus 1 plus c. So from here, this implies that 1 all over 6 multiply by u, 100 plus 1 is 101 all over 100 and what? 1 plus c. All right, so from here, clearly, we see that we have that this is u 101 all over 6 times 101 plus c. So clearly our u was what? Our u was this, what is inside here. So this becomes 3x squared negative 5 all to the power 101 all divided by 6 times this gives us 606. That's 6 times 101, 606 plus c. And this is the answer to this nice integral problem. Do well to subscribe to this channel for more interesting problems like this.